Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, box. Small, tiny box. Garage door opener. One pack. See, comes with instructions. How to use it. The keypad itself. And there is a battery already in there. Looks like. Yeah, the battery inside already. Very simple motherboard. And other side are just buttons, right? Two buttons. LED. Okay, I'm testing this. My garage door opener. Oh no, close that. Initial impressions seems pretty cheap. Let's see. Oh man, there you go. Okay, there it is. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.